Hello and welcome to Dunia's Alchemy. This is a GCSE chemistry lesson on potable water. We're going to have a look at what is potable water, treating groundwater, saltwater and wastewater, and then finally do some exam questions. So let's begin. Potable water is water that is safe to drink. There are three types of water: groundwater, saltwater and wastewater. Each of their sources are shown along with how it's treated, and in this video we're going to look at how we treat each one of them. So the first one we're going to look at is groundwater. Groundwater comes from underground, lakes, rivers. So how do we treat groundwater? The first step is using a mesh, and the point of that mesh is to remove large debris. The second step is sand and gravel filtration. These remove smaller solids from the water. And the third step is sterilization, and we do that to kill off harmful bacteria, and this is done using chlorine gas, ozone or UV radiation. The next type of water is saltwater. This is usually done in hot countries with very little rain. So the saltwater is treated by distillation, which is where we boil the water to separate it from the dissolved salts, or we could use reverse osmosis. And how reverse osmosis works is the water is passed through a membrane, and that only allows water molecules to pass through. That way we end up with fresh drinking water. The third type of water that we're treating is wastewater. These come from sewage water and agricultural systems, and it has more steps involved. Step number 1 is screening, and this removes large pieces. The second step is sedimentation. This is left in a tank, and the large pieces fall at the bottom, and the liquid stays at the top. This liquid is called an effluent, and how we treat it is we pass it through aerobic digestion of that organic matter, and then finally release it back into the environment. The sludge at the bottom of the tank passes through anaerobic digestion of the organic matter, and then there's two uses to it. The first one is we can use it for natural gas, and the second thing we can use that sludge for is fertilizer. As promised, I have left some exam practice questions over here. I've split them as usual into bronze, silver and gold. Give them a go. It will take you about 25 minutes because it's about 25 marks if I'm correct. Yeah, so pause it, give it a go, and then in a couple of seconds, I'm going to reveal the answers. I refuse to give you any answers unless you have subscribed. Go on, what are you waiting for? Okay, so here's the answers. Bronze, silver, gold. Make sure you check them. Give yourself a mark out of 25. Write in the comments how many marks you got, and I'll see you in the next one. If you've gotten this far, well done. We have now looked at what is potable water, what is groundwater, saltwater and wastewater, along with how we treat them, and we've also done some exam practice questions. As usual, make sure you do the 3-2-1, share it with 3 others, give it 2 clicks, like and subscribe, and finally leave 1 comment. Have a great one.